Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add someone with QR code on Telegram. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So for that, you guys must have to be a QR code in your mobile phone. So after getting a QR code on your mobile phone, you guys can add someone on Telegram too. So what you have to do is simply go to your. I have already a QR code on my Telegram, so I have to just simply open it in my gallery. So what I have to do is simply you guys can just simply hold on that, or you guys can do you have to just simply open up Google Photos. So I'm just opening up Google Photos. So after opening up Google Photos, you have to just simply open up that specific image. And here is the image. So what I have to do is simply click on this lens icon. So after clicking on this lens icon, this will automatically scan your QR code and will you have to just simply click on this link which is popped out from the image. So simply click on image and simply click on any of the browser. So after clicking on any of your browser, you have to simply click on the top right corner of three dots and simply click on open in Chrome browser. So here you have to simply click on that and simply click on copy. So you guys can just simply follow someone on Telegram with the help of and your browser. So for that you have to just simply log in with your browser on your Telegram, or you guys can just simply copy this username by just tapping on this pencil icon and simply remove telegram.me from behind and simply copy this username. And after that you have to simply open up Telegram application and simply search for this username, and you will be able to see the user and you guys can just simply add them on Telegram. So this is the way and couple of ways in order to add someone with the help of QR code on the Telegram, and I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.